Starting with the biggest superstar, Realme 8 Pro. Over to you, Sri.
We brought two gorgeous colors to the Realme 8 Pro. The Infinite Blue with dreamlike and dazzling appearance, and Infinite Black with a mysterious appearance. During the design process, we secretly prepared a special magic color. Isn't it cool? It glows in the dark by itself. We actually added a special fluorescent material around the camera module and the Dare to Leap slogan, which can absorb light and then glow automatically in the dark. Let's take a look at its charm through a small video. As compared to the past two generations, the Realme 8 Pro weighs only 176 grams and is just about 8.1 millimeters thin. Now it's time to showcase the most important part of the Realme 8 Pro, its infinite clarity camera. The Realme 8 Pro sports a classic quad camera setup with a 108 megapixel main camera, an ultra wide angle lens, an ultra macro lens, and a black and white portrait lens. These are some of the thrilling upgrades and enhancements we have made on the Realme 8 Pro camera. And what we believe is that our users, who might even be amateur photographers, can take eye-catchy shots and videos with this leading 108 megapixel camera. Then let's talk about Realme's foundational strength, battery and fast charging. The Realme 8 Pro comes equipped with 50 watt super dart charge with the big 4500 mAh battery capacity. The Realme 8 Pro is equipped with a 6.4-inch full display Super AMOLED screen. At the same time, the Super AMOLED screen is also equipped with fast unlocking light sensitive in-display fingerprint scanner. In terms of specification, this 6.4-inch Samsung Super AMOLED screen achieves Full HD resolution and a touch sampling rate of up to 180 Hz for better responsiveness while gaming. Under the hood, the Realme 8 Pro comes equipped with the reliable Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, which features a powerful 8-core, 8nm low power consumption design. The Realme 8 Pro will be the first smartphone to come with Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. The Realme 8 Pro comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack and supports high-res audio certification to ensure a high-quality audio-visual experience. It has various useful features such as dual SIM dual standby to switch between work and life and manage your tasks with ease. So let's sum up the Realme 8 Pro. Our first to feature a 108 megapixel quad camera system. The 8-core 8nm processor guarantees smooth performance coupled with a Super AMOLED screen. This device is going to be a feast for your eyes. The 50 watt Super Dart charge is the fastest in this price range and is paired with a massive 4500 mAh battery, something that we've managed to squeeze into a thin 8.1 mm body which only weighs about 176 grams. Just like the Realme 8 Pro, the Realme 8 also comes with trendy infinite bold design. The phone comes in two colors, Cyber Silver and Cyber Black. The Realme 8 also features a superb light and thin feel. With a weight of only 177 grams and a thickness of even less than 8 mm. I mean, you guys might just think that I'm playing with you when I tell that there is a massive 5000 mAh battery inside this thin form factor. In fact, it is the slimmest and lightest phone in the world so far with a 5000 mAh battery. The Realme 8 features a 64 megapixel AI quad camera, which includes the 64 megapixel primary camera along with the ultra wide angle lens, ultra macro lens, and the black and white portrait lens. But the Realme 8 is also equipped with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display for the first time in its lineup, enabling it to support an always-on display with a fast unlocking light-sensitive in-display scanner. With the in-display unlocking option, you can effortlessly unlock your phone in the most convenient manner with just a natural touch on the screen. The Realme 8 features a full HD resolution with a touch sampling rate of up to 180 Hz and sunlight mode with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. The Realme 8 features 30 watt dart charge capable of charging a 5000 mAh battery in just shy of 60 minutes, which is about 65 minutes to be precise. The Realme 8 continues with the same MediaTek Helio G95. To have a better cooling effect, we've used the efficient copper liquid cooling technology, which improves the cooling efficiency by 14.4% compared to the Realme 7. To cater to your demands, the Realme 8 will also come with the Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. To conclude, the Realme 8 is a fantastic all-rounder featuring a high-grade 64 megapixel AI quad camera with futuristic design, 30-watt dart charge, a massive 5000 mAh battery, which is in such a slim design, the powerful MediaTek Helio G95 processor, and a 6.4-inch superb Super AMOLED display.
For Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro, I'm proud to announce we start from 128GB only, even with the basic variant. 4GB plus 128GB, 6GB plus 128GB variant, and 8GB plus 128GB variant in two different colors, Cyber Silver and Cyber Black. The Realme 8 4GB plus 128GB variant is priced at Rs 14,999 only. 6GB 128GB variant is priced at Rs 15,999. And the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at Rs 16,999. First sale starts at 12 noon on 25th March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores nearby you. Well, the Realme 8 Pro 6GB plus 128GB variant is priced at Rs 17,999 only. 8GB plus 128GB variant is priced at Rs 19,999 only. Again, for those who hate to wait, first sale will start tomorrow itself at 12 noon within 24 hours and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores near you.